The Michigan Department of Transportation is planning a 3-year project to rebuild I-94 from west of Helmer Road to east of F Drive North in Battle Creek. This project will utilize Rebuilding Michigan bond funds and combine several projects for efficiency and cost savings. This section of I-94 carries about 60,000 vehicles each day. The estimated $120 million investment will rebuild 8 miles of freeway and 9 bridges and repair an additional 5 bridges. While there will be some maintenance work in 2022, the rebuilding project will begin in 2023 and is expected to be completed in 2025. The project will start just west of Helmer Road, and work will occur at the Helmer Road and Capitol Avenue interchanges, as well as M66, I-194, and M294, or Beetle Lake Road. Major work will finish just east of F Drive North. This project will replace the aging pavement on I-94 with new asphalt. There also will be improvements to drainage, and all signs and guardrail will be replaced. All ramps at the Helmer Road, Capitol Avenue, M66, I-194, and M294 interchanges will be repaved. At the eastbound I-94 Battle Creek Rest area, the parking lots and ramps will be rebuilt. Several bridges along the corridor will be worked on during this project. The I-94 bridges over 6.5 Mile Road, M294, 9 Mile Road, and the Kalamazoo River will be rebuilt, as will the Capitol Avenue Bridge over I-94. The I-94 bridges over Riverside Drive will be repaired, as well as the F Drive North and I-194 bridges over I-94. This project includes major interchange work at Capitol Avenue. All the ramps will be repaved, the Capitol Avenue Bridge over I-94 will be replaced, and sidewalks will be widened across the bridge. The westbound Beckley Road approach to Capitol Avenue will be widened to allow for a dedicated right turn lane. Rebuilding Michigan one corridor at a time.